Exercise 1. Running straight ahead. Jog straight to the last cone. Make sure you keep your upper body straight. Your hips, knees and feet should be aligned. Do not let your knees buckle inwards. Run slightly more quickly on the way back. Do the exercise twice. Exercise 2. Running hip out. Jog to the first cone. Stop and lift your knee forwards. Rotate your knee to the side and put your foot down. Make sure that you keep your pelvis horizontal and your core still. The hip, knee and foot of the supporting leg should be aligned. Do not let the knee of the supporting leg buckle inwards. Joins your hamstrings and calf muscles and improves your movement control. Assume the starting position, standing with your feet hip-width apart and your hands on your hips. During this exercise, slowly bend your hips, knees and ankles until your knees are flexed to 90 degrees. Lean your upper body forwards. Then straighten your upper body, hips and knees. When your knees are completely straight, stand up on your toes and then slowly lower yourself down again before straightening up slightly more quickly. Repeat the exercise for 30 seconds. Important when performing the exercise. When viewed from the front, the hip, knee and foot of both legs should be in two straight parallel lines. Do not let your knees buckle inwards. Bend your hips, knees and ankles at the same time and lean your upper body forwards. When leaning your upper body forwards, keep your back straight. Do not tilt your head backwards. Stand up on your toes when you straighten up. Repetitions, 2 sets, 30 seconds each.